The beginning of laundry soaps have started from ancient until today. 100 years later, the birth of laundry detergent powder to laundry liquid detergent and laundry gel base pushed laundry cleaning solutions into a new era. Finally, the arrival of laundry sheets will create the beginning of a new laundry era and change the minds of customers. Laundry sheets are the new generation of new detergent products. After washing powder, laundry detergent, and laundry beads, they have unique advantages. 1. Convenience. Easy to carry, light and compact, very suitable for travel and outings. 2. Environmental protection. The laundry sheets packaging material is also environmentally friendly, low carbon and plastic reduced. It uses natural raw materials. No phosphorus, no benzene, and no fluorescence. 3. Technological innovation. New technology enables laundry sheets to clean efficiently and have multiple effects such as softness and sterilization. 4. Economic benefits. Laundry sheets may bring cost saving in logistics, storage, and transportation. For consumers, they're cost-effective, safe, healthy, and can be used with confidence. Globally, in promoting sustainable development and green environmental protection, laundry sheets will surely become the mainstream of the laundry market demand. Our laundry sheets have entered thousands of households around the world and created a new era for laundry. Let us make the world green.